Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss how we can change degrees to radian and radians to degree. So first example we have, let's say if you have negative 30 degree. To change this one you need to multiply with pi over 180 degree. So if you have a degree given, you want to change it to radian, you have to multiply with pi over 180 degree, okay? And also one more thing, that 360 degree is equal to 2 pi and 180 degree is equal to pi. This information you should know. Okay, so now just simplify this. After that there's nothing difficult. So this 0 and 0 cancel. Now negative pi over 3 is a common factor, so this 3 is cancelled. 18 divided by 3 will give you 6. Okay, if you don't know that, you just simply write this in the calculator, that 30 divided with 180. Just type in the calculator, leave the pi as it is, and you will get 1 over 6. Then keep this pi here, and the negative sign was here, so just that's it. So yep, that's how you can solve it. So negative pi over 6 is in the radians. So when you have pi, then you can say the angle is in radians. Okay, next question. 5. Okay, this is different one. So 120 degree. Now how we can change? So 120 degree multiply with pi over 180 degree. If you don't know anything, just write 120 divide 180 in the calculator. You will get the simplified expression and put pi in the same expression, you will get your answer. Now to do that manually, 0 and 0 cancel. 6 is a common factor, so 12 divide 6 will give you 2. 18 divide 6 will give you 3, and you will change it to 2 pi over 3. That's how you will do it. Now next, let's say if we have angle 150 degree. So now try it by yourself. If you can do it, you will multiply with, again, pi over 180. 0 and 0 cancel. Now what is the common factor here? Here the common factor is 3. So 15 divide 3 will give you 5. 18 divide 3 will give you 6. So your simplified expression is 5 pi over 6. 5 pi over 6 radians. That's your answer. Now let's take one more example. If you have, let's say, negative 195 degree, multiply with pi over 180 degree. Now how you will do this? So negative 195 over 180 pi, right? I'm writing for simplification purpose, so you can write this in the calculator, or then you can get the simplified version with pi, or else you can try it manually. So if I see what is the common factor here, now if I do it with 5, then 5 times 3 15, 4 45, right? So that will give me 5 times 9 39, and this will 5 times 3 15, 3 remainder 3 0 60, so 36. So this is 39 over 36 pi. Now I can see here 3 is again a common factor. So 39 divide 3. 39 divide 3 will give you 13, and 36 divide 3 will give you 12. So 13 pi over 12 will be your final simplified expression. So that's how you will do it, or else you can just simply write this in the calculator, this part, and that's it. Don't forget the negative sign. Don't forget the negative sign. So that's how you will change it to the radians. Now next we have radians to degree. Now how we will do that? Now let's say if you have 5 pi over 2. Now in this case you will multiply with 180 divide pi. So basically what we want to do is we want to remove this pi, right? And to change into the degree you will have to multiply with 180. So that's how you can remember it. Okay, because most of the time what happens, people get confused that do I need to multiply with pi over 180 or do I need to do it 180 over pi. So just simple, if you have something like pi over 6, so I want to remove this when I want to change it to the radian. So what I will do, I need to have pi in the denominator, so then only it will be cancelled, right? So 180 divide pi. Great, so now let's solve this question. 5 pi over 2 multiply with 180 over pi, and this pi and pi will cancel. 180 divide 2 will give you 90, and 5 multiply 90. So 5 multiply 9 is 45, then there's 0. So 450 degree is your answer. Okay, so next one we have negative 3 pi over 8. So again, multiply with 180 over pi. Pi and pi cancel. Now, what will be the common factor here? So if I see 4 as a common factor, so 8 divide 4 will give you 2. And here 18 divide 4. So that is 16, and 2 remainder, 2 0. So 20 divide 4 will give you 5, yeah. So negative 3 multiply 45, and then you have divide with 2, right? Oh yeah, that's is also there. So 45 multiply 3, that will give us how much? 40 multiply 3 is 120, and 5 multiply 3 is 15. 135 divide 2. So negative 135 divide 2. Okay, this is coming in the decimals. Now 13 divide 2 will 6. 1 is the remainder. 1 5 15. So yeah, 7 14, and then this will be your answer. So 67.5 degree. I'm doing all of this manually, so you can try this with the calculator. That will give you answer within seconds. Okay, good. Now that's how you will change radians to degree and degrees to radian. So remember it, and that's it for this. Now we have few spatial angles. Okay, now these spatial angle, if you will remember directly, that will help you. So what are these spatial angles? So in the degrees, we know that this is your 0 degree, this is your 90 degree, this is your 180, and this is 270 degree, right? So in the pi, obviously this is 0, or this is 360 degrees, so this will be 0 or 2 pi. This will be pi over 2, and this will give you pi, and this will give you 3 pi over 2. So at least remember these four. Okay, so you get an idea, like if I say pi over 6, then you should know where is the pi over 6. The pi over 6 will be in between 0 and pi over 2, right? Similarly, if I say like pi over 4, then also I should know that it should be between pi 0 and pi by 2, right? So at least remember these basics: 0, pi by 2, pi, and 3 pi by 2. And obviously I have showed you the formulas where you can change from degrees to radian and radians to degree, right? Also just remember few more, that 30 degree is pi over 6, 45 degree is pi over 4. These are very common, so every time you will not go and change, because these you will need to remember for quick calculation. That will save a lot of your time. Okay, so 60 degree is pi over 3, and 90 degree is pi over 2. You can use the formula and you can change, but you will get the same answers. Okay, in the radians, 30 is pi over 6, 45 is pi over 4, 60 degree is pi over 3, and 90 degree is pi over 2. So at least remember these few radians angles. That will help you to do the quick solutions. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's it for this video, and don't forget to watch the another part where I'll discuss arc length. Okay, so that's it. See you in the next one.